What's up, guys? We riding around the truck a little bit. I left the gas station there and we are in South Central Kentucky again here, and over by the called a Flex Mart, little gas station they got. Stop and get some tobacco. Yeah, we all got our habits. Okay. Over by a couple of factories they have back in here. All that. It is going to be a little chilly like they say. We're going to have our first frost here, or frost advisor, they say, here in South Central Kentucky. I wonder why that's so bright for y'all. Okay, well, that's about good as I can get, I guess. The car is white too, so maybe something to do with it in front of us. But alright, we're going to get going. I'm going to head over here to pay the light bill. So, I know in this digital world, why don't you just pay it online? Well, I know, I'm old school, I guess you could say. So, but, oh well. So, we're going to jump on the parkway here and get going on the exit, or get going on the on-ramp, I mean. But I'm sure a stoplight will stop me. And we got our first stoplight right here. I don't know why, but y'all have got you a glare on that window, and I don't really care for that. That's why I'm not paying attention. That was red, by the way. I'm sure y'all seen that before I did. Alright. Alright, guys, getting ready to jump on the parkway here on the right hand side of the road. I actually get to turn before we hit that other stoplight up here. I don't know why there's so much glare. Alright, guys, that's it.